In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit the grid layout within Abtrac. You can adjust the column widths, adjust the column order and the sorting, along with a few other things. Let's get started. So for example, if you decide that you want to see more of a job description, or any field for that matter, hover your mouse next to the labels here, click and drag, and you can extend the column widths. If you decide that you want to change the order, so you want to see the job created date first, you can click and drag that whole header to the front there. Now if you decide that you like this particular layout and you want to have that layout next time you come in, all you need to do is click apply, and that's going to remember it the next time you come into this screen. If you want to change the sorting, all you need to do is click on the labels within any grid. So if you want to sort by job code, click on that, and you can see that it's changed the sorting. To sort multiple columns at once, if you hold down the Shift key and click a second column, it'll then sort by that column as well. Again, if you like this layout, all you need to do is click apply, and it'll remember that. Another feature is if you type in any of the filters and again click apply, it'll remember that filter next time you come into that screen. And a last trick with the filters is if you click on the magnifying glass, you get further options as to how you want to filter. And lastly, if you want to change how many rows you see by default, if you go to the home screen, you can either go via the home, or a little tip is just to click on the icon in Abtrac. It'll take you straight to the home page. Then if you click on Edit My Settings, and if you find the grid depth, you can see here that you can choose between 10 rows and 50. We'll change that down to 20, make it a little bit more manageable. And coming back to that search screen, you can see now my page size is set to 20. So all of these changes so far have shown you are at a user level. As an administrator, you can actually hide the columns that users can see, or adjust the widths as well through the user control settings. If you go to Administration, Settings, and User Control Settings, these are all of the different screens that you can adjust. We go to the search screen. So if we decide that we want to see the client owner, you can see here that its width is currently set to 0, so it's not visible. We'll edit that, we'll give it a width. And if we come back to that search screen, you can now see the client owner column has been shown. So those are just a few little tips for the grids within Abtrac. Just to recap, you can change any of the column widths and orders as an end user by using the grid layout feature, or as an administrator you can use the user control settings to show and hide and again change the widths at an administration level. If you have any questions after seeing this video, get in touch through www.abtrac.com or email us at support@abtrac.com.